This is one of my trails leading to the back 40, and like many people here in Michigan, we had a heck of a storm come through last night. Power's out in a wide area, and I've got to open up this trail. Just a poplar limb right here, small one. More small stuff, bigger stuff, some cottonwood. And we got another one blocking the trail right here. Cottonwood. This is cottonwood. Of course, it took down. Looks like it took down a little ash tree there, but here's the big one I'm looking at right now, and this is as far as I've gotten. This maple tree. And this is all right across the trail right here. And this is as far as I can see right now. So, oh, box elder came down here too. Another trash tree, but still will make some good enough firewood for the early season. Even though it's green, I have the outdoor furnace, and that's the silver lining here.